students. Today we will talk about Restoration period. Now the Restoration period starts from 1660 and it lasts up to 1700. So the period from 1660 to 1700 that is called Restoration period. This period gets its name from the great political event that is the restoration of Stuart monarchy in England. I told you in my previous video that Charles II was brought to the throne of England in 1660 and again monarchical government was established in England. So Commonwealth period ended and after that there was a Restoration period. Charles II was exiled in France in his youth and on his return to England he brought with him French courtly manners, continental literary tastes. Therefore, much of the literature of this age reflects the urbanity, wit, licentiousness of court life. Theatres were opened, reopened. Earlier they were closed in the Puritan age, that is 1642 में सभी थिएटर्स बंद हो गए थे. तो चार्ल्स सेकंड जब दोबारा इंग्लैंड की थ्रोन पे आए तो थिएटर्स रीओपन कर दिए गए, है ना. थिएटर्स द रिवाइवल ऑफ एज the stage encouraged the emergence of restoration comedy. Comedy of manners was very popular. है ना, a distinctive form of tragedy, that is heroic drama, that was there. A distinctive feature of this is period is the revolt against Puritanism. Restoration period क्या है? It is a revolt against Puritanism. The Puritan standards of decency, honesty, they were ridiculed. है ना, शिष्टता, ईमानदारी, जो एक मेन क्वालिटीज थी, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स थी प्यूरिटनिज्म की, उनको रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड में उनका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है ना. और उस प्लेस में क्या हो गया? देयर वाज इंडिसेंसी, लेविटी, है ना, अशिष्टता, बद्दापन, बेईमानी, ये सब चीजें लाइफ में भी आ गई और लिटरेचर में भी, है ना, which resulted in the degradation of moral as well as moral values as well as of literature also. The brighter side of this period is that there was an upsurge of scientific spirit, है ना. एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट ये था कि साइंटिफिक सोसाइटी एस्टेब्लिश हुई, रॉयल सोसाइटी एस्टेब्लिश हुई लंदन के लिए फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ नेचुरल नॉलेज. सो दिस पीरियड प्रोड्यूस्ड मेनी इंटेलेक्चुअल्स लाइक सर इजैक न्यूटन, इसी पीरियड में हुए जो इतने बड़े साइंटिस्ट हैं, है ना. Dryden was the flag bearer among the poets, playwrights and prose writers during this restoration period. He was a great man of letters. He was a great man of letters of this era, and therefore sometimes this period is also called the age of Dryden. He was applauded for his poetic works, Absalom Achitophel, The Medal, the Macflecknoe, Religious Lacey, The Hind and the Panther. So his satirical poems in particular won him fame. Samuel Butler also regained fame with his poetic work Hudibras, which was inspired by Don Quixote, and the poem has a satirical vein throughout. Swift Cartale of a Tub is yet another remarkable work of this period. Then with the revival of theatre in 1642, है ना, पब्लिक हैंग्ड अराउंड द थिएटर, लोगों ने फिर थिएटर्स जाना शुरू कर दिया. रिस्पेक्टेबल मिडिल क्लास केप्ट ए डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द थिएटर. है ना, मिडिल क्लास के लोग थिएटर से दूर रहते थे, लेकिन जो प्लेजर सीकर्स हैं, करप्ट कोर्टियर्स हैं, दे वर फ्रीक्वेंट विजिटर्स टू द थिएटर. Theaters became hotspot for amusement seekers. To cater to the needs of its new class of audience, restoration drama became extremely licentious. Licentious, समझ गए? Loose morals होना. A new genre of serious drama called heroic drama replaced tragedy in this period. So it was inspired by heroic drama was inspired by French novels. The playwrights they produced dramas depicting extraordinary adventures, superhuman feats, absurd sentiments, sordid passions, coupled with high-sounding pompous speeches. Hmm? And then Thomas Otway, he was also one of the influential dramatists of this age, who wrote powerful plays like The Orphan, Venice Preserved, Prince of Clee, Massacre of Parts. So this is also saw the rise of a new form of comedy, popularly known as restoration comedy, or it is also called the comedy of manners. This kind of comedy reflects the intrigues, relations of ladies and gentlemen of refined and sophisticated society. So-called refined and sophisticated society. है ना, जो सोसाइटी में तो बहुत रिफाइंड और सोफिस्टिकेटेड लोग माने जाते हैं, बट ऑल ऑफ देम आर करप्ट. दे आर हैविंग लूज मॉरल्स. हस्बैंड इज हैविंग रिलेशन विद another lady, wife is having relation with another man, husband knows that his wife is having relation with another man, and the man also knows that his wife is having relation with another man. Still they are continuing their relations as husband and wife. And so the comedy is a comedy of intrigue. षड्यंत्रबाजियां चल रही हैं, उसके अगेंस्ट, उसके अगेंस्ट. हस्बैंड को पता है वाइफ किसी और से रिलेशन रखे हुए हैं, वाइफ को पता है हस्बैंड किसी और से रिलेशन रखे हुए हैं. स्टिल डिवोर्स नहीं करना, क्योंकि ये जो बहुत ऊंचा खानदान है, द सो कॉल्ड रॉयल फैमिली है, द सो कॉल्ड सोफिस्टिकेटेड है, उनके यहाँ डिवोर्स नहीं होगा. तो वो अपने उस स्टैंडर्ड को मेंटेन करने के लिए बस उन रिलेशंस को कंटिन्यू किया हुआ है. तो इस तरह की कॉमेडीज लिखी गई रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड में, है ना. तो इस तरह की कॉमेडीज लिखी गई. तो जिसमें देखो विलियम कॉन्ग्री बहुत अच्छे ड्रामेटिस्ट थे इस पीरियड के. उनका वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लिखा गया, है ना. तो वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड उन्होंने इस टाइम पे उनकी कॉमेडी लिखी गई. तो इसके अलावा और जो है ड्राइडन का वाइल्ड गैलेंट, शेडवेल का एब्सेंस ऑफ वेल्स, सर जॉर्ज एथरीज उनका कौन सा वर्क था, द मैन ऑफ मूड, सर फोपलिंग, फ्लटर, वाई चार्लिस, द कंट्री वाइफ, प्लेन डीलर, कॉन्ग्रीव्स, द वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, है ना. So such sort of dramas were written. And this period is also remembered for growing number of historians and biographers. तो restoration period में बहुत सारे biographers, बहुत सारे historians भी हुए. A historical narrative, the history of rebellion and civil wars in England, was written by Edward Hyatt. Earl of Clarendon was produced in this period. Remarkable biographies such as the life of Colonel Hutchinson, written by his own wife, and life of William Cavendish, Duke of Newcastle. So they were also there. They were also the product of this. Then the novel also developed in this period. Daniel Defoe came out with the pioneering model for the realistic novel Mole Flanders. That won him applause in literary circles. The writers of this period had an aptitude for critical writings. एसेज के राइटर्स में क्रिटिकल राइटिंग्स लिखने की भी एक एबिलिटी थी. एंड द मोस्ट ड्राइडन के क्रिटिकल एसेज, प्रीफेसिस, डेडिकेशंस, प्रोलोग्स, they were also published in this period. And the most remarkable ones are essays of dramatic poesy, preface to the fables. बनियन का वॉल्यूमनस राइटर, जो बनियन बहुत अच्छे राइटर थे, बहुत सारे वर्क्स लिखे उन्होंने. ही प्रोड्यूस नियर अबाउट 60 बुक्स, है ना. तो उन्होंने नियर अबाउट 60 बुक्स लिखी. एंड हिज आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क्स आर ग्रेस अबाउंडिंग, Pilgrim Progress, The Life and Death of Mr. Badman, The Holy War, है ना. लॉक ने भी important essays लिखे, essays concerning human understanding, some thoughts concerning education, the reasonableness of Christianity. So these are some of the works of this period. So that is in the Restoration period. So I hope you must have understood.